Here we go to Estacada, where the smoke and fires were, what was it, 2 years ago? It was firestorms were just everywhere. But there's no firestorm here in this part of Oregon, but it's in the southern part. And they're saying that Hillary is going to be coming up this way. It's going to split in California and Oregon border. And part of it's going to go to the right, which would be the east side of the hills. And that's going to take the rainy section. And the west part of the hills, part of Oregon, the Central Valley, Willamette Valley, will get really strong winds. Now, we've had winds as high as 75 miles an hour. I have a video of that. That was terrifying. We were told to board up our windows and everything, and we're on a different hill this time. We have a ridge. We're up on top of the ridge, so